Annyeonghaseyo. So this is my high school self-study class. So this is Jaya. She's so focused on what she's doing. She's writing one of her subject. Okay, I will not disturb you, so keep focus. Okay, and this is Gwyneth, also doing her project. This kind of project. She's so also focused. And also Nikki. She's practicing her report. Okay, very good class. Keep doing your best. And this is Jumong reading a dictionary since he told me that he already finished his assignment. Very good, very good. Keep up the good work. Bye bye. Annyeonghaseyo. So Dario is here because he wants some advices on how he can properly report his topic. So this is his report. Okay. Now, Darrell, when you try to report there, make sure that your posture or you make sure that you stand properly. So, tarong o barog. And then, before you proceed with your topic, you greet first sa imuhang classmate and to your teacher. Okay? Okay, sige ko na. Example.
Magandang umaga sa inyo lahat, lalo na po sa ating pinakamagandang guro, Teres Rose Preganer.
Okay, very good. Inanaon ha. And then, after nimo mag-greetings, proceed na ka sa imuhang topic. Okay. Ang topic, go.
Ang bundok ng Armenia, talasalitaan, aya-aya. Ang bundok
Students, giduka mo? Wala ra? Sa manganta, giduka mo uban. Okay, manganta tabi. Kabalo man ka mo ato. Okay, sige. Kuhaan sa. Everybody stand up para ma-active mo. Kanta, panganta mo. Unsa kito yung kanta? Okay, sige, kanta be. Action!
Mama ko na doctor and the doctor say, pagbilang ko tatlo, nakatago na kayo. Kayo ko nakaupo, subukan yung tumayo. I wanna be a turtle, be a twinkle star. How will we got about the batutin niya?
Again! Once more!
Mama ko na doctor and a doctor say, pagbilang ko tatlo, nakatago na kayo. Kayo ko nakaupo, subukan yung tumayo. I wanna be a turtle, be a twinkle star. How will we got about the batutin niya?
Meow! Okay, sit down mga meow. Okay, quiet.
Mom, nana ko sa hiwas sa iyong depan. Pero mo,
Sige, sit down, sit down.
sit down. Video, Joy.
Yeah, ka-memorize na mo sa story?
Happy.
Hapit na?
Happy na.
Okay, so keep quiet and memorize your story.
Annyeonghaseyo everyone.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, so how's your story?
Okay.
Did you memorize your story na?
Yes.
Okay, so I want you to recite your story. 1, 2, 3, start.
Nala is snail. Nala is snail. She likes to go out after it rains. She likes it best when there is no sun and when the ground is moist. Nala has a green body. She has a brown shell and white eyes. She knows that she is lower than the turtle. That doesn't bother her.
Okay. So, who can give me the context of the story? Or who can like summarize the story for me? Wala kasabot si teacher sa story. Kinsay baka tabang nako, be? Okay, so first line, Nala is a snail. Do you know what a snail is?
Yes.
Unsa man na ang snail? Snail gali, turtle. Unsa na kita mo snail wala? Kana man na di ba kanang murag na shell sa tumoy and then naa siya kanang murag kanang shape nga paana di ba iyang ulo? Right, kanang mopilit sa dahon. Kita mo ana wa? Okay. So she likes to go out after it rains. Unsa may pasabot ani? Okay, ganahan siya mogawas basta ting-uwan. And then she likes it best when there is no sun and the ground is moist. Unsa man ni pasabot? Basta walay adlaw kanang bago panahon man ang uwan. Oh, possible ting uwan and then kanang landong. Mao nay tinggawas nila and then basta ang ground kay moist. Unsa man na ang moist? Basa. Okay, very good. Very good. Nala has a green body. She has a brown shell with white stripe. So naa siya unsa man color sa snail. Kita man ka mog snail unsay color? Brown. Okay, she knows that she is lower than the turtle. Unsay pasabot ani? Slower. Mas hinay siya mo? Dagan kaysa sa turtle. Okay, very good. And then lastly, that doesn't bother her. Unsa may pasabot ani? Wala siya? Nasuko? Nasamukan nga mas gamay pa siya sa turtle. Okay, so stand up, Adi. Repeat everything.
Nala is a snail. Karang si Nala di ka karang snail. Karang malimunan pinsik. Dide? Nga, karang she likes to go out after it rains. Ganahan siya magawas di karang ikahuman sa uwan. Nga, ganahan po siya nga kanang ang yuta kay kanang basa-basa pa. She has a green body too. Yang kanang yang lawas kay color green. Yang shell kay color brown nga na ay white stripes.
Okay. She knows that
She knows that she is lower than the turtle. Kabalo siya tinga kanang mas hinay siya sa turtle. Pero wala siya.
okay, very good. Tian.
Nala the snail. Nala is snail. Si Nala kay snail. She like to go out after it rain. Dahan siya mo gawas
Okay.
She like it best when there no sun and the ground is moist. Ganahan siya magawas kung may sun o basa ang kuan. Basa ang yuta.
Okay.
Nala as green body na nala kay na ay green nga lawas. Nala ay she had
brown shell and white stripe. Nala kay naay brown nga shell and white stripe. She knows that she is slower than a turtle. Agaw siya nga masinay pa siya magagang kaysa sa turtle. Wala rin siya.
Okay, very good. Clap your hands, everyone. Sabot ratanan?
Yes!